Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna review Canon 50mm prime lens. So here is how it looks like. So from the front it is like that. I think it has a 52mm filter thread. So if you want to put a filter on this lens, you have to buy a 52mm filter. And this one is actually a non-STM lens. So the latest one is the STM lens, which has the stepping motor inside it, and it is very silent. So if you want to make videos with a continuous autofocus in which the lens is tracking the subject and trying to focus all the time, so in that case you should go for the STM version of this lens. This is the older one with the micro motor, and it makes crazy amount of noise. I can show you. So right now I would try to focus. You can hear the focus noise, and the front element is moving like crazy. But when it comes to the image quality, I don't find much difference between this one and the latest STM lens. But this one you can get really cheaply for maybe like $35 or if you are talking in euro, maybe 40 euro, maximum to maximum 50 euros. Even you can get it like for 30 euros as well, like very cheaply sometimes, depending on what kind of deal you got. Because the new one currently in the market, it costs around 120 euro, the one with the STM motor. And this is a great lens. Actually, I really like the image quality out of this. I'm gonna put the sample images that I've taken with this lens on the screen, and most of the photos were taken at f1.8, and the background blur you get out of this is really good. I'm also gonna put a video as well in which you can see the background blur that this lens can do at f1.8, so you get a really nice cinematic footage as well. And guys, this is a full frame lens, so if you want to use it on your Canon full frame cameras, you can use it, and it will be able to use the entire sensor, and you will get much more depth of field and much more background blur. So like if you have a Canon 5D Mark II or like 60, all the full frame DSLR, you can use it very well on them. You can also use it on the latest mirrorless camera like Canon EOS R or EOS RP or any of them with the adapter, and it's gonna work perfectly fine. No focusing issue, or and the quality of the image would be great as well. You can also use it on your M series mirrorless camera, for example M50, M5, M6, M3 and M100 or EOS M. With the adapter, it's gonna work flawlessly, no problem whatsoever. And in terms of weight, this is very lightweight. It's around 130 grams. So if you have a this kind of camera, Canon 1300D, so it's gonna be very lightweight combination, and you can take really good portrait images and with nice background blur, and put it on your Instagram, shoot for your friends and family, and get nice images. Overall, it's a great lens. बाखुदा तुम्ही हो हर जगह, तुम्ही हो मैं देखूं जहाँ जब उस जगह, तुम्ही हो ये जहाँ, तुम्ही हो. So who should get this lens? So if you are on a tight budget and you don't want to spend like 120 euros or US dollar for the newer STM lens, and you don't need like continuous autofocus in video, you are sitting on a chair like me and doing like talking head kind of videos, or you like, let's say you play guitar, you fix the focus at a location and then you sit there and then record your videos, then this lens is not a problem, because then you just fix the focus and then start recording. Then it won't catch the noise, because it won't try to autofocus while it is recording. And for photography, this lens and the newer STM lens, not much of a difference. Pretty much you get the same image quality out of them. But if you need a continuous autofocus, you are moving around and you are doing a subject tracking, then you should go for the latest STM lens, because then it will be silent in the videos, which is a requirement as well. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I need your support. Once I get 1000 subscribers, I can start making some money out of YouTube. And do follow me on Instagram as well if you have any questions. I always reply to each and every guy who message me over there. Or you can also put a comment over here if you have any questions or doubt about any camera gear. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you are the first one to be notified whenever I post a new video. See you guys.